what it do? Hello, YouTubers. Hello, mukbangers. What it is, what it do? Where is that? Bring it back. Hi, I'm Melissa with Feasting Girls, and I'm here today to bring awareness to. Well, I'm doing my new recipe, seafood egg rolls. Or I haven't came up with a name for it yet. But anyway, I'm gonna get to chopping my cabbage up for my egg rolls. Yes, Naya. Naya want me to call it sea roll. I think I might go with that. Sea roll. I think her and Brianna came up with that, didn't it? Brianna. Well, Brianna, my niece, came up with sea roll, so I might call them sea roll. Up. You know what I mean, son? Just choppity chop, choppity choppity chop. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna do a lot of cabbage because when cabbage cooks down, it gets smaller. So I'm probably gonna do a half of another one. Why is my camera keep falling, y'all? This is my recipe. My sea rolls. I've never seen nobody else do them like this. I'm taking the middle piece out of the cabbage. This is my recipe. Mine. So, and I had to do a video on it. So this is gonna be a classic. Okay? Okay. Then I got a whole nother cabbage. I'm just gonna use half of this one. Alright, so it's a lot of cabbage in that thing. And I'm gonna go and get Naya to put my cabbage on the stove because it got a lot of cooking down to do. Alright, y'all. Okay. Alright, I'm adding a red bell pepper in this thing. Alright, don't worry about it. To give it some color in my sea rolls. And I'm not a chef bar, Lisa. Chef bar feasties. But I can cook, you feel me? Oh, I can put my foot in some stuff, you feel me? Left or right foot. Oh yeah. Left foot, right foot. Left foot, right foot. Left foot, right foot. Alright, y'all. So we're just gonna chop it up. Okay. We don't want no big, no really huge chunks in it, alright, y'all? What you got, baby? Spoon? This is a spoon.
Yeah, it's a spoon.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna add some mushrooms inside of there. Just 4, not too many. Because I'm gonna cut them up into little bitty pieces. Or should I leave them like in big chunks so you can really get that mushroom taste? Yeah. Not too big, but not too small either. Okay, y'all see that? Alright. Let's get another one rolling. Please, little kids, if you're watching this, don't try this at home. I've been cutting for a long time. You know, I be watching Master Chef. I think I'm it, y'all. I think I'm it. So my cutting game is a little proper. You feel me? It is a little proper. You feel me? Okay? So I'm in the game a little bit. You know what I mean? I'm on level 9, maybe. Okay. Get another mushroom to go up in there. Now, Chef Ramsay said all your stuff should be even so you get like an even taste for it. And I'm not on that level yet. So I'm probably about a number 7. For giving everything cutting up even in there. Okay, I'm put a half of an onion in the egg roll. We got a lot of seafood and stuff going in here. And then I'm going to deal with that next. I'm gonna bring y'all over there when I get that seafood on.
You want to play catch? Mama.
Yes. It should be getting soft. Just keep flipping it till it's getting soft.
It's shrinking a lot.
Yeah, just keep doing it. Just flipping it till it gets soft. My onion cut up. That's going in my egg rolls. What, baby? I do use all my pepper, so I gotta cut up this top part. All right, I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So Naya's been over here cooking my cabbage. I'm finna add this stuff to it. Up in there easy though. All right. See, I told y'all it was gonna cook down a lot. It was like full. The pan was up. Did I turn the wrong pan off? Yeah. Okay. Move, Pookie. Get back for me. Alright, so my cabbage cooking down for my seafood rolls. And I'm finna get my seafood on. Hold on, y'all. These are the scallops and shrimps that I'm putting into my egg roll, my sea roll. So I'm letting it cook a little bit. I'm finna drain it. I'll be right back. It's cooking down. Not too much because we're gonna get ready to fry them things up. Alright, I'll be back. Y'all see that? Good. So I'm gonna add some butter. Complete seasoning. And then I'm gonna add my lobster in there. I'm gonna turn it on the back first. Okay, that's gonna cook. Now I'm gonna add my crab meat. Hold on, I'll be right back. That in the container. I'm just gonna put the whole thing in my cabbage already. Y'all see that? I was gonna get some snow crab meat, but I didn't feel like cleaning them, and I'm glad I didn't get that. So here we go. The crab meat in there. And we're gonna start breaking it down. Hold on. Fish and shrimp. Okay, that lobster cooking. I mean, everything is really done except for the lobster. So that's gonna cook up a little bit, and then the next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be over here on the table cutting up this stuff. All right, y'all see this right here? My crab meat breaking down. It was still a little frozen in the middle. I didn't even know that. So that's crab meat mixing the cabbage. That's a lot of crab meat. But we're gonna make sure we taste that crab, you feel me? Y'all. These things finna be banging. When I say these things finna be banging, these things finna be banging. Is in there. Really don't need a lot of seasoning because I'm finna make that beloved sauce, so. Alright. So we letting that cook down. Yeah, so I'm finna just cut up my shrimp, scallop. What, Pookie? He hurt you? Then I got my lobster that I'm putting in there. And I never had lobster before. Okay, cutting up my lobster in there, which we're not going to have a lot of lobsters to taste in there. Okay, so we're going to chop the lobster up a little bit different than, y'all excuse my dishwasher. I'm washing some dishes for my video later. But, okay, so I got a little bit more scallops and stuff that need to be cut up. This is my cabbage right here. Y'all see that? Okay, so I'm gonna add my my scallops and shrimp to my cabbage. Well, my cabbage and my crab meat is in there.
Yep.
And then I add my scallops and my shrimp to my cabbage and crab meat.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. So, boom.
Yep.
Shakalaka. Now we mixing it up. Boy, you talking all through my video. Go rinse this pot out so I can do my beef-love sauce. Have my stuff getting ready. Okay, so I'll be right back, y'all. Okay. Hey, my babies. How's it going today? Look at here. So today we're gonna make some egg spring rolls, babies. And Naya's gonna help me roll them up. You can be fine right there. Come on. Squeeze through. Nope, bag the shell. How about you just sit right there? I pad you a shell. We keep the pot right here. And there we go. And we're gonna do it like this since we don't want a lot of juice in our egg rolls. So here we go, the finished product there, babies. Okay. We got the shrimp, we got the crab, we got the scallops, we got the cabbage, we got the lobsters, and we got all that up in our sea road. Okay, baby. So the first step we gonna do is, okay, we gonna place the stuff that we made for the stuffing. We're gonna place it in the middle of it. Okay, baby. All right, now, baby. We're gonna use 2 shells. Okay. I need you to hush up now, baby, for Mama had to backhand you up in here and break your collarbone. All right, baby. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do next is, child. Make sure y'all listen to Big Mama now. All right, we're gonna put 2 shells down now, baby. You can't use one because they're too thin and it'll break real easy. So we got 2 there, okay now, baby? All right. So next we're gonna take some of the filling that we're using, okay? My camera kind of moving a little, but just hang tight with me. We ain't got that long, all right, babies? All right. That better? Okay, baby. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to place it in the middle of there, okay? We got all the good stuff that we need, all right, babies? And I'm not going to add no egg mix in there, but we got some egg whites over here to the side, all right? And we're going to dip the fingers and we're going to dip them corners, all right, baby? All around them corners, all right, baby? Now listen to Big Mama. Don't do it your way now. You might mess it up. All right now, child. And then we're going to put this side on over there on that side. And we're going to tuck it. Make sure that it's tucked, okay?
So you do the sides, like right here. Corners.
Yeah, but you fold that first.
Okay. Yeah. You do.
Okay? We're going to make sure that it's tucked in there. It gotta be tucked. Then we're going to just roll it, sweetheart. Look at that. There you go. Your C-roll, baby. Your first ever C-roll, baby. All right. We're going to sit that to the side. And we're going to start on the next one, all right? And we need 2 more, okay, babies? Make sure it's 2. We're going to add a little bit more meat to this one, all right? I mean, a little bit more filling. Okay, babies? I don't want to be in this kitchen cooking all day, all right? All right, there we go. It's a little bit more full.
Tell me why I was making a burrito earlier.
All right now, baby.
Perfect.
We're going to fold that up.
You said you want me to do the same to the side.
Yeah, make sure it's tucked good. All right now, babies. We got to speed up the process. You got to make sure that those ends are tucked in, Janaya. All right now, baby.
Tell me my teeth.
All right. Now, 2 more to go. All right. Pick up the pace. And there we go. That's a little bit too much, though. All right. There we go. So, Naya handed me. She trying, though, yeah. She is trying. That part needs to be tucked. That's probably why I didn't do right. I said tuck it. Okay, watch again. These sides need to be tucked in. This side need to be egged. Egg, egg. You take this one over and you tuck in it up under the food. Okay? You make sure these sides are tucked in. Then re-roll it. And then there you go. See the booty? The booty tucked in. All right. All right, y'all. Listen, the camera following. We'll be back. All right, babies.